नमस्कार, मैं हूं डॉक्टर मनीष सिंघल, मेडिकल ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट, अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स नोएडा एंड दिल्ली से। आइए एक मज़ेदार टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, हाउ टू सिलेक्ट योर ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट। ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ मैं अपनी कोई तारीफ नहीं करने वाला। यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ आपको वो बातें बताऊंगा जिससे आप अपने ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट को आंक सकते हैं, परख सकते हैं एंड आप समझ सकते हैं कि आपके लिए कौन सा ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट बेस्ट है। सो मैंने इस आंसर को ABCDEFG में डिवाइड किया है। A इज अवेलेबिलिटी। आपका ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट आपके लिए अवेलेबल होना चाहिए। दैट मीन्स दे शुड बी हार्ड वर्किंग एंड यूजली ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट हैव वेरी बिजी लाइफ्स. Sometimes they have to do OPDs till late night, from early morning to late night and so forth. So availability is very important. If the doctor is not available, then you can be under a lot of pressure. Because हमें मालूम है कि कीमोथेरेपीज़ में और साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, सर्जरीज में साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं. दे शुड बी अवेलेबल एंड दे शुड बी वर्किंग इन सम फॉर्म ऑफ टीम. देयर इज समबडी इज अवेलेबल टू हेल्प यू आउट इन द आवर ऑफ नीड. देन बिहेवियर. कैंसर एक बहुत खतरनाक बीमारी है, काफ़ी दुखदाई बीमारी है, ये हिला देती है इंसान को. Oncologists have to be very compassionate. They should show enough empathy and they should not be in a hurry. If they are in a hurry, then they will not be able to behave well. Even if they behave well, then they will not be able to show you the right compassion that is required. So behavior is very important. Only an empathetic doctor can help you in the hour of need. Because you don't only need medicine, but you also need a comforting hand. Third, C, competence. Of course, everybody can gain a degree, and degree can teach you how to treat, but competence requires many other things. Oncology is a very fast changing science. Your oncologist should be very up to date, because if he's not able to provide you the current treatment, the best possible treatment, and guide you through your treatment well, through his knowledge, then you can lose out in your fight against cancer. Your oncologist should be able to know what is going on latest. He should be able to address all your queries regarding the latest. Of course, many people gain their information through Google. He should not discard your Google knowledge just by saying it's Google knowledge. Of course, you can see the track records. You can judge whether they're attending annual conferences and keeping themselves up to date, whether they're ready with their answers as far as latest is concerned. He may not be knowing, but he should be willing to learn more in case he doesn't know. So competence is not knowing everything, but competence is willingness to know more in case he's encountered with a situation where he does not know the rightful answer immediately. D, dependability. That means you can depend on them in the hour of need. Very similar to availability, but dependability also accounts for those things that you can depend on them. You have faith in them, they give you the rightful treatment and the rightful advice, and they're ready to take even second opinions in areas where it is difficult to treat situations. So these doctors would be dependable. Fifth is effective treatment. They offer you effective treatment, means the latest treatment and good treatment. Well, you can also say that since it is becoming a very burgeoning subject, it's a subject जो बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहा है, perhaps going with disease-specific specialties. That means sometimes a breast medical oncologist or a breast cancer specialist or a lung cancer specialist. So those units which work like that perhaps will be able to give you more effective treatment. Then finances. A good oncologist is one who can discuss finances with you upfront. You may be the richest, you may be the poorest. Cancer treatment should be given alike to everybody. All expensive treatments may not be as effective. So a good oncologist should be able, because cancer treatment can become very costly over a period of time. Even more costly than a knee transplant or a hip replacement surgery or a cardiac surgery or a neurosurgery or so and so forth. It's a long fight. So finances have to be worked out, and they should be ready to propose you other effective treatments in case finances are a concern. It's not that only expensive treatments can win you a good life. Sometimes very simple treatment can also get you a very good life. And last is geography. Cancer treatment is quite taxing on the body. It is not a good idea to travel long distances with cancer patients. You should try and find out a good oncologist in your vicinity. Of course, there is no harm in traveling, but traveling with a sick patient is always very difficult and challenging. So, choosing an oncologist nearer to your home is something which I would certainly advise. So, I hope these advices are useful to you and you can work on these, and this will help you find the best oncologist for your cancer. Stay healthy, stay well.